What's up guys, it's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can do the Beyonce Countdown Challenge on TikTok. Okay, so this challenge involves using the Beyonce Countdown song and then a video of yourself using the beauty filter, and I'll be showing you how to do all of this right now. But it basically starts off with a plain picture of yourself and then it slowly beautifies you as the song progresses with the countdown. And it's a pretty cool effect. So what you need to do is have two apps apart from TikTok. Okay, so the first thing you will need to do is go ahead and take a picture of yourself. So I'll just go ahead and open up my camera app and then I'll just take a picture of myself. Now, once you have that picture, you need to go out of the camera app and then you need to go ahead and download this app called Face App. So if you go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, you can look for Face App. It's this app right here. And it looks like this when you open it up, and I'll explain why I have all those images there. So all you would need to do is go ahead and tap on the image that you just took and it's just going to load up. And now you can see you have different options at the bottom: impression, beard, smile, sizes, and things like that. If you scroll to the right on those things, you come to the filter makeup. Tap on makeup. Now, I know this trend is typically used for women, but I don't see why us men cannot get in on the fun. So you can see that some of these are pro features. Now, I know that you can get a free trial, a free 3-day trial to unlock all the pro features if you want to go ahead and make it look like how you want it to look. But you can just go ahead and use Makeup 4. That will work perfectly fine for this Beyonce Countdown Challenge. So tap on Makeup 4. It is then going to process the photo, and you can see there. But you can see it added some lipstick, and if you don't want the lipstick, you can tap on that little eraser icon there at the top right of the page, and you can just erase the lipstick just like that. Then you tap on apply at the bottom right, and there you have your first image, and then you tap on save at the top right. That's going to save the photo successfully. And then what you need to do is go back out of here, click on cancel at the bottom left, and then back arrow at the top left. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be applying that makeup filter 10 times so it looks like those images that you can see over there, where it slowly progresses more and more beautiful. So I'm going to tap on gallery, and then you'll select the second image that you took, which is the saved image we just beautified. Then you'll select makeup again at the bottom. So tap on makeup 4, it's going to process that. And then you can tap on apply at the bottom right, tap on save, exit out of here, go back again, tap on gallery, and then you'll tap on the third image, scroll to where you find makeup. There it is, tap on makeup 4, or whichever one you want to go ahead and select. And you can see it slowly beautifying me. And then you go ahead and tap on apply, tap on save, and then tap on the X and just close out of that. Make sure that it is saved. So that is saved. So I'm not going to waste your time by going through and doing all 10 of them. I have already done 10 in a row, as you can see below that one. So what you need to do once you've beautified yourself 10 times in a row is you want to go out of the Face App and then you want to go ahead and download a second app called InShot. Now, this is a free video editor that you can go ahead and combine these images into a video that you can go ahead and upload to TikTok. So once InShot is opened up, tap on video, and then you want to go ahead and select the 10 images that you just beautified. So in this case, I'll select this one, then all 10 of these. So I'll just select them just like that, and then I'll tap on the tick mark, the green tick mark at the bottom right hand corner, and this opens up a video editor. Now what you need to do is have this video in sync with the countdown of the Beyonce song. So what you need to do is you can see a timeline there at the bottom. So if you go ahead and tap on the first clip in the timeline, you can see those two bars appear on each side of the video. So if you go ahead and you can see it's 0.5 seconds. So the countdown song on TikTok is about 12 seconds. So you have 10 images. So you need to go ahead and make each image, you need to go ahead and make it 1.2. So you can see it's kind of small. But if I go ahead and scroll through that, and there you can see it is now 1.2. And then you want to tap on the next one. And then you want to make that one 1.2 as well, just like that. And then 1.2 on the next one. And you would repeat that process for each of the clips, just making them 1.2 in length. Okay, so once you've done each and every one of those clips, what you'll go ahead and do now I have a video pre-saved already, so I'm not going to go ahead and waste your time by doing all of them. All you would need to do is tap on save at the top right hand corner, 1080p 30 frames per second, that's fine. Tap on save, and then you'll just have to go ahead and watch an ad, that's fine. Close out of the ad, and then you can see it's converting the video file now, and it is saved. So that's on my phone's gallery. So I can go to my gallery, and I have a 12-second video, this one right here. And as you can see, if I go ahead and play that video, this is what it's going to look like. And then in the background is going to be the countdown counting from 9 to 0. I think the actual song on TikTok ends at 4, but you can see it'll count down. So what you need to do is upload this to TikTok. So you'll go to TikTok. So you'll go to TikTok, go to the TikTok camera by tapping the plus icon in the center at the bottom. And then once you're on the TikTok camera, tap on the upload button at the bottom right hand corner. And then you'll go ahead and upload your video that you just edited. Tap on next. You don't have to change anything about it. Tap on next. And actually, before you do this, you need to have the countdown song from Beyonce. So I'll exit out of here, and I'll keep this error in the video. It's fine. So I'll just exit out of here. And then to go ahead and find the Beyonce song, just go ahead, tap on discover. And then in the search bar, tap on Beyonce countdown. And then you'll see videos appear. Now I know for a fact that this video has the countdown song attached to it. So I'll go ahead and tap on the music icon bottom right. And this song, it's not playing because of copyright reasons, but this is the countdown song by Beyonce. And you can see there it says contains music from Countdown, which is what I want. I'll add that to my favorites. So you want to go ahead and tap on add to favorites, and then go out of here, and then go back to the TikTok camera, tap on upload, select your video, select it real quick, go back, and then you'll tap on next at the top right, and then where it says sounds at the bottom left hand corner, tap on sounds, then tap on your favorites, and there you can see the original sound countdown. The one at the top is the one I just saved to my favorites. Attach that to your video, and now the song is playing in the background, and it will be in sync because we set the correct timers on each clip, so it should look good. Then you can go ahead and tap on next, and then you can go ahead and go through the posting process. So that in a nutshell is how you can do the Beyonce countdown challenge on TikTok. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like this video down below, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the new TikTok challenges coming up. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.